Hi, my name is Oto Uchiha, also known as Pakistan Ninja XD. Today, I am making a promotion video for all ninjas out there who would want to join the village hidden in the sound, also known as Oto Uchiha. So, what I'm trying to do is gather up a lot of ninja and help us with, be right back, to help us destroy the hidden village. I know that they can be nice, and they are very, very strong, but you know, that's not what it seems. What seems here to me is that this village is corrupted by a bunch of old people who are called elders. Yes. They are the ones who told Itachi, my big brother, to kill all the Uchiha there. Corrupted? I think so. Us? I think not. We're just evil. And this is why I'm promoting a whole bunch of ninja to join me and Orochimaru-sama to destroy this village, what is corrupted by evil. And, well, we don't throw people away. Yes, it might seem that we do, but we don't. We find a use for them. And after they completed that use, then they die. So basically your life is meaningful, but you die for what you believe in. So that is why we hate the Leaf Village, because they are very corrupted. Now, since I am a leader, I will control all forces to destroy this village. And, well, Orochimaru's leader too, but I think I'm more, what do you call it? I'm more strategic. Well, he is too. But I can win this. Unlike he did back then, I think I can win this. And if I can, I will. Hello? Oh. Hello, Orochimaru-sama. Yes. You heard? Are you spying on me? Oh. I'm sorry. Yes, you were the first Otokage. I'm the second Otokage. I can... Alright. Mention that again. I know. Alright. Yeah. Okay. Yes, Orochimaru-sama. Alright. I'm very sorry. Yes. Alright. I love you too. Bye, my love. Okay. So, he just told me that he's gonna be the leader. But, no worries, but even though he's the first Otokage, I am second, so I rule. You know, he does, so I should say that before he calls me again and chews me out like he just did. So now I have to end this vlog. Please join my sound village on Gaia. My name is Oto Uchiha of the Sound. Please join it, or join Orochimaru 18. We would be glad to have you join our village and help us defeat the Leaf Village. Well, I must end this video now, and I shall talk to you later. Oh, goodbye, my sound village. Until we see each other again.